Yeah. Face peeps to the way at Marriott's. To their Father's Day. To Antaya and Joe here. See me? Father's Day. Yeah. So they are Marriott's Hotel for East End. Yeah. So we have a full dry place. Yeah. So the place look. Yeah, check out the place. Marriott Hotel. Yep. Sorry about music in the background. I thought cut out that. Yeah. So this is the people. That's Father Day. So we are going to try the road and I full dry Caribbean. Yep. No place like the Caribbean. No big city. No. See there? Anti-out there. The anti-out there I get loose. Here I get loose. Full dry ourselves.
Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like.
Marriott, East End. Yeah, as I say, no place like the Caribbean. So we're out here. This babes, look at it. This is so beautiful. No big city. Nice like this. This is Caribbean life. Beautiful, just beautiful. Check it out. People on the beach, the sun there. We'll join it, Father's Day. Look at it. Just beautiful. Yeah. This is a Marriott's East End Grand Cayman. Share the experience. See there, Marriott? Share the experience. Marriott's East End Grand Cayman. Yeah, see there? Yep. Nice. Up here nice, you know? It's a full dry sun there. Not sip from those people out here are drink and thing. Yep. So yes, babes, sit here. Marriott's. Look how beautiful it is. No place like the Caribbean, look there. This is Marriott's, as we said, East End. Yeah. And see Antaya and Andrea. Then there, yeah. Yeah, I'm telling them walking from front and straight them walk from front. They look good. Yeah. They have been married for how long now? They married for? They married for 13 years. See it? See it? Yeah. I'm take a picture for your thumbnail. Yeah. Alright, see it there? That is it. That is the Marriott's Grand Cayman. You know what I'm saying? Yep. So we're heading back to West Bay now. As I say, peeps, no place like the Caribbean. Just beautiful all the time and nice all the time. Yeah. Can't walk in here no. Yeah. Whoa. Didn't know that the food was here a while ago. People disappear too. Seriously? Yes, peeps. The place is nice. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Yeah. Out here. Whoosh. Yeah. All the fire to the 7. So the place nice. This is Marriott's Hotel. Grand Cayman. Yeah. The place nice. Place nice. There. Yeah. It's the Caribbean life. We're out here. Without fear. That is it. Yeah. That is it. Here it is. The place looks good. Yeah. That is it, peeps. Place up nice. Yeah. So it's Sunday, Father's Day. So long time I'm not dropping a vlog, and I'll drop 2 videos today. Yeah. 2 videos to edit. Yeah. Out here. Without fear. Marriott's, Grand Cayman. I still just come have a drink and heading back to West Bay. Yeah, we're heading back to West Bay. So as I said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Support the movement. Support the movement, people. And family will not look on the video and not watch them. Friends them, some will not look on the video them, but not them, I like them. Like the video. You know what I say? Yeah, like the video them, like them. That is it. So yes, peace. I check out the new restaurant. I haven't been to this restaurant yet. So I will check it out and see what it look like. From outside it look real nice. Sometimes some places look nice, but it's not that nice though. But I check it out and see if it's really nice. Yeah. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Yep, that is it. Yeah, so we're at the Grove, right on West Bay Road. Yeah. It's a new restaurant here. It look very nice setup and all of that. Yeah. Yeah, Andrew and Ty there, same way. Yeah. So I can see what I'm going. So as I say, stay tuned. I want to have one. No, I'm not lie. Yep. Let's see. Yep, see the restaurant there. This is the restaurant. We're at the restaurant now. I'm not going inside, I'm not outside. I'm not the indoor person. Yes, yes. I said to, wow. It's beautiful, look at it. Very beautiful. We want to be outside. Outside. Yep, it's beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful.
I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down.
Thank you. Okay. Yes, Pips. So it's white and raspberry. When I think about it, it look nice, no, Anti? You know, Anjo?
It's sumptuous.
Looks sumptuous.
Yeah.
Yes, Anti been here before. Anti been here last week. So you look Anti.
Welcome to my place. Welcome, guys.
Yeah. Take some picture that one of it. Use my thumbnail. Yeah. Yeah, when you look rich. That's rich. Yeah, this is rich. Yeah, and look there.
Sorry.
Yeah, this is my favorite thing.
Done. I will, yeah.
D-O-N or D-A-N?
That's done.
That's done.
My done, but D-A-N.
Yeah, you're done.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
D-O-N or D-A-N? D-O-N.
Yeah, look there, peeps. And we're going Cayman in the Caribbean.
Thank you very much, Dan.
You have roosters. Yeah, look at that. I get gold fork and gold knife. This is rich. Anti is very rich. Anti have a rich money. Yeah, I like this. Santa, you know want pasta? No research. We're rich, Anti. Anti is behaving like we can. I say we can order whatever. We're rich. We're rich, Anti. You say we're rich. Look at Anti. Look at people. Look at Anti. Look how she look. Look at Anjo. Look there. Look at Anjo.
Rich life.
This is Jamaican Dart. Yeah. And that is Dart wife.
Yes, man.
Jamaican Dart wife.
Dart father.
Yeah. And Dart is my uncle. Uncle Dart. So this is the menu, peeps. So let me see what I'm gonna get. Champagne, Road Reserve. Huh? So it's peeps. I'm here waiting on my order because I'm like really hungry. So I come from the Marriott's instantly. I'm very hungry now. So waiting on our order. taking their order, taking anti and Andrew order. The waiter taking an order. Yeah, he's a very friendly guy.
That's good. So it's a good time.
So we're here trying out this new restaurants, what the food's like.
We're in the bathroom, sir. Inside.
So
Inside. Okay.
just stick around and see. I'm gonna watch the video. Yeah, wanna be nice, you know. It's a normal vlog, Father's Day vlog, Sunday. Yeah, we're out here without fear. Normal, right? Yeah, but the restaurant look pretty still, look nice. Nice surrounding, nice settings. Yeah. Actually, we are not inside, we are outside because I don't like indoor. I like outdoor. I don't like to be cloaked up. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. She really love Anti love goat, you know. Anti love places like these, you know. She love the life here.
I love.
Yeah. Yeah, Anti love the life here, you know. Some big fun here.
Really good.
No, apparently the fans protect dust and stink from coming here. Debris. Yeah, that's why you see. If you realize, because outdoor, so no debris not come inside here. And mosquitoes and all of that. Yeah. But the scenery is so nice, man. It's like, you know, that's why I tell about the Caribbean. This is the Caribbean life. I don't know you people of the big city, but for me, Caribbean is the best. I love the Caribbean. No place like the Caribbean. I visit America, Canada, England, and the rest of the world, Africa. Yeah, I'm not sure about Africa because I might stay in Africa. But, you know, the Caribbean is the best. Love the Caribbean. So I'm gonna say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Support the movement. Support the movement. One fire, hold the fire. Stick and stay. Yeah. Wait for my food, belly feel hungry. I just come from East End, from Marriott. I just a tour, yeah man. I just a drive out, yeah. Stick and stay. That is it. I'm seeing here. What is this Anta? You tell me about it.
It's Greek salad.
Greek salad. Look at it. This is what, when sometimes I tell you that you don't have to be extremely rich to enjoy a certain life. Rich is a mindset, is what I tell yourself. If you say you're rich, then you're rich. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, look here. See anti-angle herself? Look at anti. So anti-angle herself? Yeah. So share for everyone now? Yeah, you're gonna share our one. Wow.
What is that?
And your bubble is coming here for your margarita.
Probably it's not coming because of the week.
Can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time.
Thank you.
Okay.
This one is the smoky old fashioned. Yeah. Alright. Have a lot of alcohol. Alright.
Thank you very much.
Wow. I'm gonna get in a minute. I'm doing a minute. I'm hungry now.
Yo, this was
It's the piano night and time. Yeah. So what is that thing? And time we came to be a tomato.
Yes, it is something. It's in here. Sorry to ask, are you ready to place your order? I was thinking about pasta. We do have a noodle noodle. What is that? I'm sorry, it's a long leg noodle, sorry. So basically this is kind of Asian noodles. You know, with what's plum sauce, sriracha basil, and some vegetables. And also if you want, you can also add some meat because basically long leg noodles is like a vegetarian. But you can always add the meat if you want.
Yeah. Are you anti? Curtis beef.
That one, the beef, the ground beef.
This is just nice. It's strong. to make it, we knock me right out. Oh, wait, anti? Wait, Andrew? Yo, this is strong.
What is that on the side there?
I don't know enough. I don't know. Yes, babes. We're out here living a life.
This comes with the ground. And that was perfect. Yes.
So yeah, I don't have a way.
You will have the
This anti?
yes, we will have the
Anti? What they say this? What they say this is? This is cheese? What kind of cheese? What kind of cheese?
I'm telling you, I don't want nothing more sweet, bro. I tell you, I don't want nothing more. Answer, you know that already. But I'm going to let you know.
Yes, babe.
I didn't know what to do.
How are you? Where's mommy?
So we're out here. Go giant hands over there, so. Hands over there, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anti.
Why the plate is set properly and why you're not using the knife?
Anti is saying, why am I not using the knife? Because I'm holding the camera in one hand. I'm using the camera in one hand, so I'm using my left hand to hold the fork.
Take out more than and the tomato. Eat the tomato. You're supposed to eat the vegetable.
So Auntie, I feed your husband vegetable. Yes. Yes, and vegetable is good for you. Eat vegetable.
What happened? When you can't do that.
What are you getting? Yes.
And look, Auntie.
Like yours. Eat it like yours.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Good.
Yes, my princess.
So would you like me to ask the chef to prepare the mangoes now?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Eat it like yours.
Auntie is so rich. Rich Auntie.
Butter.
I love
Butter.
wine.
This I give me every video something strong. You tell the man to give me something. I just you want just me have. You tell the man to give she something strong and the man give me something strong. Man, you love her. You come at the mother that love me.
I'm not Jamaican, you know.
You can't tell me what.
So, Auntie, how old my one? Is it appropriate?
No, darling.
Auntie, is it appropriate?
This.
So peeps, Auntie
I don't think you're supposed to hold something here.
Auntie even teaching me how to hold a cocktail glass. I like the vegetable.
I like it better. Then you use what?
can't hold one hand, so I look now, yeah. And I put a tomato in the pot, I use a knife for a tomato.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh,
Huh?
I love it.
Yeah, man, we are enjoying.
Thank you very much.
What's with the anti?
We can't manage it, truly. Oh, cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers.
The man come like a junkie, come to
Come now.
I'll never look him at the front.
Good life and prosperity.
Prosperity,
Yeah.
wealth, and good.
Yeah. Yeah. You trying your phone. It is very strong. Is it a junkie?
Hey, everywhere you go, Jamaicans do this. Everywhere you go, Jamaicans do that. I like that. He said everybody I might know what this is the process.
Yeah, we as Jamaican, we use a finger and turn the ice. Yeah. Take it. Come here. It's presentation. Nice. Yeah. You eat. Who eat with the eyes and tie?
No, don't.
Hey, when I give you eyes,
Look, Dan,
I have taste buds.
if it's presentable,
Yeah.
it's more to full than actual.
Well, it full your belly. Enjoy entire comedy, you know. But I'm telling you, people, Anti have so much table manners. It's like she went to UCLA or with a big college in England, a big college name? Or a big college in England, yeah? What name? What big college name? I say, like you went to that college to learn table manners. Yeah. What name? What college name? Art 4, what name? Harvard. Yes, and no, not even, but it's like you went to Harvard also. So you know you're up there, way up there. Yeah, you study criminology. Okay, and table. This is it, people. This is real fun. This is real fun. Yeah. So we're out there. Give you something strong inside your wife. No say that. So you want to say things that Andrew identify as a wife? Andrew identify as a wife. You don't like that sound.
Woman give me something strong. Look at tomato.
But you know me feel say? The reason why my one's so strong. Because when I got married, the cup is bigger than this. And the means so strong. So this now a cup a little. No, they give me little. So then put more. So original shape. Yeah. But this strong, I tell you. I have to take time. Yeah. Food readiness. But when you come on to fish, nobody can do it like me. When you come on to fish, nobody can do it like me. Can go on. What is this?
It's like kalalu.
It's like, is it kalalu? Kalalu?
It's not?
No, I'm asking if it's kalalu.
Yes.
Kalalu, okay. Okay, pretty cool.
So how is it? It's nice?
It's good. It's very good.
You want to order more because I know you're hungry.
No, I'm okay.
You're okay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay with this. Okay. Yes, good. It's anti-pasta. It is, Andrew.
That's it, brother.
Andrew is not really a pasta person. Per se. Yeah. As Andrew believes that pasta are for Europeans. Yeah. I must enjoy my Islado. Red snapper. Then I put money in a restaurant here. I put money in a restaurant here. Yeah.
Yes, I did. Thank you. Thank you for suggesting.
Enjoying our pasta now. Anta is not a regular Jamaican girl, you know? Yeah, she's from Europe. Like a European.
Pepper, salt. Now she's gonna take a sip of the drink. Now she's gonna dive down into that pasta. She was in the night to eat pasta also. I didn't know that.
You never know that? You never know that?
Just look at the pasta. Oh, that's a rich eating. That's a call rich eat.
That's rich eat.
That's a call rich eating.
And yung walo, the plate, no, yun na si Otier pula. Fly. Cream is nice. And fries pula na.
When the fish done, almost done, man, I enjoy it.
Yes? You like it?
Tastes good. This deep plate empty. Real empty. It's an empty plate. Go there. There's anjo and antai heading to the pasta. Yeah.
You don't want no more
Anjo
Andrew?
and antai head into the pasta. Anjo done eat pasta, no one more. Antai still in the pasta. Yeah, Anjo same full. And peeps, even so Anjo have a pot of rice and peas and curry goat at home. But we touch the road and we have to eat same way. So the curry goat and pasta and rice and peas is for tomorrow. Because tomorrow is another holiday in Cayman. This was the King birthday. So I'm gonna vlog that tomorrow. So I'm gonna go there by the governor's house. So you drink up so fast, Anjo? I might cup, no fan for you. No, but up so we drink up left here. And now your cup is bigger than my one. So Andrew is helping Antai drink him one. And I show him how to drink out a cocktail glass. She don't want to hold it just anyhow.
Come on, Anton.
Antai, send him the throat, Antai. If you drink, you want to drink Penny? But Antai, I look around everybody I see her.
Like anybody busy do that.
Antai, I have pay for your own food. You're not busy with nobody. Yeah. Yeah, we're paying for your own food in the business. Nobody want to think or nobody want to say. That is it. So Antai, the pasta here, what kind of meat today? Ground beef. So it could be like iguana or so. They look delicious. It's nice.
It is.
Very delicious. So you would recommend anyone to come here?
I want to buy.
What's the name of the restaurant?
What's the name of the restaurant?
Yeah. I don't know the name of the restaurant.
My first time here.
Go there. Over here, so. Yeah. Yeah, the food is very delicious.
Yes.
What's the name of the restaurant?
This is Mikona.
Mikona's.
Yes.
So this is Mikona's and Westby Road at the Grove. Trust me, it's they sell very nice food here. And the customer service is, trust me, I give them a 110 out of 100. It's awesome customer service. I love this. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, we just opened like a month ago.
Yeah.
The soft opening, so we will have our grand opening by November. We will
November?
Yes, we will announce it in the public, but the date is not really confirmed.
Okay.
By then, we will have more things like brunch on Sunday.
Oh, okay.
Maybe some additional meals in the
Oh,
restaurant. Yes.
okay.
Yeah. But the food is
Minus your name again.
Sunshine.
Sunshine. You can forget her name.
Bye, Sunshine.
Yeah, and this is Sunshine. Look at her. She is Sunshine.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Sunshine. Yeah.
Like
love
She love her pasta. He's not a pasta person, but he enjoy the pasta. When you see him eat pasta, you must know it tastes good because he doesn't really like pasta, but he ate it. And he had more than one. Yeah, one sharing. So it was nice. Thank you. Pasta you have in a long time. Awesome. This is how Antai say. I supposed to leave out one finger. So Antai say, people, this is how Antai say I should Antai, how I should drink from a cocktail glass. Oh. Okay, this is how I should drink. So this is how I should roll it. My finger, I should leave out one finger like that. Just sip it like that. Remember?
Are you turned down yourself?
Oh.
You say you're finished? You say you're finished?
That's it.
Oh, that is to say you're finished?
Yeah. So you are turning so up and so. So you are turning up.
So that is to say I'm finished?
Yeah.
Okay, well, people, I'm not sure, so.
Yeah. But it's done now, finally. So enjoy Father's Day, enjoy, because it's like a pure Father's Day and a full Father's Day. Enjoy herself more than we look on her. Look on her. To eat her pasta and sitting more than we. Yes, babes, food is done, our belly is full. And see there, our waitress Sunshine is taking back the dishes. Yes, that's Sunshine, a very nice waitress.
How's the food?
Food is, yeah, the food is awesome. Yeah, food is awesome, man. Trust me. Yeah. No. That, it was very strong.
What is it? Oh, those Russian. It's good. Do you like it? Old fashioned. Or new day you like? Hey, I told you this to make virgin strong. Hey, put some mix. Gin is silver vodka, that's good as well. But one is bourbon and herbal liqueur is good as well.
Thank you, John. It was lovely.
My pleasure.
Yeah, so this is the other waiter. His name is Don, D-U-N. And he's awesome also. Very cool dude. Yeah.
Can we get more? Can we get
Your food?
And Antai, enjoy a drink.
It was lovely. New day, new life from Dan.
Alright, done.
New day, new life.
I'm more like Don Dada, because his name is Don, D-U-N. Don is saying no D-U-N. Yeah, look at Antai. Can't believe we come out with Antai upon a Father's Day and
I
Antai.
take them out.
And it's like anti-Father's Day. Anti-food
They
right
had
more
a
than we.
wonderful time.
And she,
I didn't.
look at the drink what she have. Why she have to choose that the drink there? New day, new life. But we never get that.
New life.
Yeah, new day, new life. Can you believe that?
This is my new day. So we step up from blowjob. Remember we had blowjob when we were coming a bit last time.
Yeah. Baby, you and Andrew have blowjob now came in a beer?
No.
But none of respect. Porn star. So your and Andrew behave like a porn star and I came on a beer. Okay. Let me drink your calves on name. So no, I'm telling you 7 hours more, no, I'm gonna drink more.
Yes. And
Eh? No? You say what pass out on the cup?
No, more to guys.
Thank you.
Beef is not done yet. After finish eating, this is what we get, and then we get some shots on the house. Yeah, so we're gonna cheers. So we're gonna cheers. Huh? Okay, after we finish, we're gonna have a shot. We're gonna have a shot. So this is it. So this is the drink that we have now. Recipes. So I request that I get this drink also. New day, new life. Think about that. How coincidental. It's a new day, it's a new life. Look at the drink. Taste it, taste it. Tastes good. Ready? So yes, babe, see it again. So we're gonna cheers. How we cheers though? What are we cheersing to? It's a new day. It's new life. And Andrew.
Yes, that was the one.
Yeah. So are we cheering to? New day, new life. Yeah. And you go like him Johnny already. Yeah. Yeah, it's new day, new life, and it look good too. It's a good look. And Anta, you have to eat ice. As if you're not eating enough pasta. But it's the rest of Anta pasta. To take home. Yeah. Anta taking the rest of home and pasta. Yeah. So they don't know. Me no rasta, but me no know me eat no pasta. Yeah, yeah. Actually, we saw it, we didn't, but then we changed our mind. Yeah, because I like the name of it, New Day, New Life. So I decided to have one also. Because it's a new day, it's new life. Yeah.
New day, new life.
Yeah. So we gotta, yeah, it tastes good. Yeah, okay. So Andrew said this is how you hold a cocktail cup. So, yeah. So how you hold a cocktail cup? Andrew said this is how you hold a cocktail cup. How you hold it, Andrew? Anti? Show me how you hold a cocktail cup now, Anti. Look people, look Anti. Oh, she hold it tortuous. I mean zoom in on her finger. See her finger caca? So she hold it. For me hold it? Some hold it, but Anti, so not some hold it. I just hold it signature out of my hand. Yeah, so Andrew hold the pink cocktail glass. No, sir. I just say put more. But, what, Andrew? I want that, Anti. What that? No. Not this. Not this. I want a cocktail glass. The cocktail. Not the cocktail, the shot.
Tequila?
Tequila.
Jan, you can show some of that here.
It's the through the night, Anti. Yeah, I like this drink.
The new day like that.
I like this drink. New day, new life. I like the name. And it tastes good.
Yeah, man, we love it, brother.
It's my new drink.
Yes.
Only here. Yeah. Only here. Yeah, well, it tastes good. Yeah. Yeah. It's a real good blend.
It's not that strong.
Yeah.
The balance between
Yeah, it's very, yeah, it's kind of balanced. Yeah. Yeah. It's good. Yeah, look at this big fancy. Funny and big. About 4 big fans right here. I never seen a fan this big before.
Am I inspired?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Empire is not Santa by eating ice. I use knife, I eat fork. Or spoon, I eat ice. Okay.
Come on, drink up. Somebody else want to cup.
No?
I want to say that on music. Hey, you're the drums, so the drums already.
Yeah, dance and tie, dance. What's the dance? What's the dance? New dance. New day, new dance. New day dance. Hey, feels we're out here having fun. Yeah.
That's how we done with us Gummy night and Drunky night.
We're going to do a run.
With us Drunky. And so, yeah. I'm Sunshine. You guys have a map and the broom around here. If you can't pay this bill,
If we can't pay the bill, we can clean the floor, wash the dishes.
wait, so we have to check with your manager first, huh? Okay, not a problem.
This is a small bill. Very small bill. Make it look so. So it's like 288 CI. Yeah, so that's like worth about 350 US. You have conversion of US here? Oh, it's 288 US and 230 CI. It's 230 CI. Okay. I guess I had a little bit too much. Are my glasses? No. Yeah, my glasses fooling me. Yeah.
My pleasure.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting the background. So Anti one picture here, so I'm getting her picture here. Yes, Anti. I got you a lot of pictures. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you get a lot of pictures there. You get a lot of pictures. Come on. Yeah. Can't see it. Yeah, video, so I can't see it. Yeah, I be at the same time. No, I'm not just a pro. No, not sure. So yes, babes, it's been a good Father's Day so far. And we're out here at this new restaurant. See Anti there. Say cheese, Anti. Say cheese. Yeah. Okay, so we're taking video and picture at the same time. Yeah. The Anti-reporter at all here. Yeah. So we're out here. And it's a good look.
Outside.
Yeah.
Having a wonderful time.
That is it.
Happy birthday, guys.
Yeah. So it's a nice day. Full jam myself to pull it. Yep. And a lot of, food was good. And the restaurant is very nice. What you call them? The waiter and the waitress. Trust me, they are the best. Yeah, service is superb. Yeah, they are awesome, so awesome. Trust me, it's very awesome. It's a very big restaurant, as I can see in the background. They have indoor and they have outdoor. The outdoor is very big also. I'm not an indoor person. I love outdoor. Yeah, I'm an outdoor person. So this is the outdoor. Outdoor look like very nice. And people, this is how I dress to a restaurant. This is how I dress. This is me in my pink Crocs and my shorts. Yeah, that's rich. I know I dressed up going to a restaurant, you know. I didn't dress up. So there's Andrew coming back. Yeah, there's Andrew coming back from the restaurant. Yeah. So Andrew and Anta in the background. Yeah. That's them. That's them in the background. Yeah. That's them in the background. I'm taking crazy picture of them, so I'm taking crazy picture of them. See there? Yeah, that's them in the background. Yeah, let's go now. I done with them. Oh, them a kiss. Let me take them a kiss. Yeah, them are done with them. Yeah, so it's a wonderful day. Yeah. It's a long time when I have this much fun in one day. Yeah, so for Andrew look fresh. Andrew a little bit too much. Yeah, so I'm a little bit tipsy. Yeah.
I'm done through when we stop.
I'm gonna try it.
I'm a little bit tipsy.
Andrew's a little bit tipsy.
And I'm gonna speak some gypsy.
And you're gonna play some gypsy. Yeah.
I'm just tipsy. I'm gonna speak some gypsy.
Yeah.
Hey, no. Hey, you see what I'm tipsy? I like to see until lipsy.
Yeah, that is it.
And let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Your lips taste like it is tipsy.
Alright. This is real fun out here. Peeps. This is real fun. Yeah.
Andrew hold me tight. I speak in jigs.
Alright, yeah.
And you see when that happened, me not dead like gypsy.
Alright. Yeah. So it's the best Father's Day I have in Cayman so far. Yeah. It's the best Father's Day. Yeah, the one is that different one? Different.
No, let's tell me playing here.
People, so this is the Grove. This is the Grove, people. This is the Grove and West Bay Road. This is the Grove and West Bay Road. Yeah, see? Restaurant and all of that. And, This is the Grove. This is the Grove on West Bay Road. Yeah. So peeps, this is another one. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Coming back here.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Coming back here.
Yeah, and we're going to come back here. I will love
Coming back here.
it. Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, that is it.
Right?
Yeah.
Share, like, and subscribe.
And to drink too much to get it subscribe.
Share, like, and subscribe. Subscribe, share, and like. Subscribe, like, and share.
Alright, please. So that is it. There's another one. One fire, one fire. Get to. Yeah.